Hey y'all, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I kind of want it to be a more relaxing style video. I'm doing a kind of like monochrome nude nail set. But I don't know if monochrome is the right word. Like every finger is going to be a different shade of nude. So yeah, but I just wanted to be like kind of relaxing. The music is more on the calm side. So yeah, I'm just shaping my tips. I already glued them on and everything. So I'm just filing them down really quick and then we'll get started. So I did apply base coat to all of the nails, but I lost the clip. So what I'm going to do, instead of using all different colors of polygel, I'm going to go in after I glue on my tips and after I apply base coat, I'm going to go in and paint each nail the color that I want. This is kind of like an easier and cheaper method to do this instead of buying all different colors of polygel. I just mixed different shades of nudes with whites and blacks to make them different shades. So yeah, I'm just painting each finger a different shade with the gel polish. And then I'm going to cure all of that, and then I'm going to go over each nail with clear polygel. Okay, so now that all my fingers are painted and all the nails are looking good, I'm just encapsulating all of these nails with a good layer of clear polygel. This is a new brush and it's a lot more flimsy than my other brush. It's not as stiff. So I'm trying to get used to it, and I was going to switch back to my old brush, but I really wanted to try to make this one work. So yeah, that's why it kind of takes me a little bit longer to work with the polygel in this video, just because I'm not really used to the brush. And the polygel was also pretty cold. I think it was like a little bit chilly in my house, so it was a little bit stiffer to work with. Alright, so the nails are looking good. I'm wiping off the sticky layer with some rubbing alcohol and a paper towel. You want to make sure you do this, otherwise the stickiness from the poly gel will clog your file. So I'm going in with my favorite files right now. I just got them off Amazon and I'm really loving them. So I'm just filing lightly. I took my time with the gel, so it doesn't need like a crazy amount of filing. But yeah, I'm just shaping my nails with my hand file. I'm going in with the same hand file and I'm buffing the surface of the nails pretty well, and this is really important because it just gets all of any like bumps or lumpiness that you had when applying the poly gel. So this is a super important step. I would not skip this if I were you. So yeah, I'm just going in with my hand file and making the surface of all of the nails super smooth. Now I'm going in with a buffing block and buffing the nails again. This is just to get any scratches off that the hand file might have left and make them extra smooth for your top coat application. Okay guys, these are looking so cute. I'm so excited. So I went back and forth for a while and tried to figure out if I wanted them shiny or if I wanted them matte. And I thought that they would look really cool with a matte top coat. So yeah, I'm applying the Model 1's matte gel top coat and then curing all the nails in my nail lamp. After my nails are cured, I'm applying cuticle oil. This is a lavender cuticle oil and I really like it. So yeah, these turned out so cute. I'm just being careful around the cuticles because I don't want the oil to get on the matte top coat because it'll make it look shiny. But yeah, these are how my nails came out. I really like them. I was kind of unsure if I was gonna like them because usually I don't do like all my nails different colors. But I think with the nudes it looks really natural and I really like it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I really hope you like this video. See you guys.